Hi guys, Max from Metro. I'm at my favourite spot in the store again. Just thought I'd show you, go through some of the things that have come in the last few days and a couple of other things that we're expecting in the next day or so. So we've just received a shipment from Arma Hobby. These are the two new 72nd scale kits. These are the Mustangs. This is done in the F6 photo reconnaissance version. It's got Italian markings on it. These are really something to see. These are really nice kits, really well detailed. As you can see on the back of the small one, there's 3 choices of markings. This one actually has 2 kits in it. There's 2 B models. This is again really nice. There's 3D printed parts included, so that's quite interesting. Actually, I'm just not sure that it is got 2 kits in it. Oh, it does. So it does contain 2 kits. So there you go. Didn't read it properly. So on the back, you've got 8 choices of markings, 3D printed parts, etched metal. These are in stock now. So that's a 72nd scale one. In 48 scale, they've been still working through their Hurricane series. So this is the all in 48 scale. So this one's the C Hurricane or Mark II C. It's got interesting wing sets. This is the Hurricane Mark II A, B and C. Actually, this one's in 72nd scale, so sorry about that. So these two are 48 scale, that's 72nd scale. So that's actually 72nd scale. Again, it's a deluxe, one of the deluxe series. It's got 2 plastic kits in it, so that's very good. In the 48 scale ones, there's only 1 of each. This is the, as I said, that's the Mark II, that's the Mark II Tropical. These are very nice. These kits are really something to see. They're just beautifully done. They're like the ultimate, what I would call the ultimate of the Hurricane series or the Arma Hobby type kits. These are just superb. They're excellent. And their newest one is a 48 scale Air Cobra, P39Q Air Cobra. We've had Air Cobras in 48 scale from Edward and all sorts of other people, going right back to the old monogram kit. Again, this is done by Arma, so the kit itself is really well done. Is it better than the Edward kit? In some ways, yes, it is, but it is a little bit more expensive than the Edward kit in the standard kit. So these are quite nice. You get 3 choices of markings, including a Russian one. Again, just a lovely kit range. They don't make a lot, but what they do make is really good. So, have a great day, and I'll talk to you again soon.